Welcome to day 2 of Python programming language for data analysts and data scientists. So we are going to be looking at Python indentation and Python variable today. So what is Python indentation? Python indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of the code line. I'm going to be showing you in my code editor. We are going to be using Google Colab. If you have your system, go to Google Chrome, click on googlecolab.com. You are going to see how you can access the cells. If you look at the environment below, I'm sharing it also. You are going to see how it is being done. So now, what is indentation? In Python programming language, indentation is very important. In other programming language, the indentation in code is for readability purpose. So now, Python uses indentation to indicate a block of code. That is the main point. It uses indentation to indicate a block of code. So, example of Python indentation, I'm going to show you now. And you can also see it in my code editor. So let's look at it together. Let's say we have if 5 is greater than 2. Print. You will notice that I leave a particular space here. This space I leave here is what we refers to as indentation in Python. At least it has to be 1, but majorly people use 4. Developer use 4. If you click on your space bar, you click on it 4 times. So we have 0.5 is greater than 2. So our output becomes, since this statement that we have here, if 5 is greater than 2, we say you should print 5 is greater than 2. Since this statement is true, then we have the output 5 is greater than 2. So this is an example of indentation. The little spaces I put here is what we refer to as indentation in Python. So we are going to talk about Python variables. Notice, if you do not add this indentation, your code is going to throw an error. You can see it in my code editor. So now we are going to move to Python variables. So we are going to move to Python variables. So what is Python variables? Python variables are created when you assign value to it. So example is s equal to 5. This x is a Python variable. X is a Python variable. Why? Since we assign a value to it, x becomes a variable. Let's say y is equal to hello world. Y becomes a variable also. You notice that whenever I want to write a word, I usually put this double quote. Whenever you want to write a word in Python, let's say you want to write dictionary, a goat, a cat, you have to put this because we refer those words to a string in Python, but I'm going to be covering that also in my next video. So the purpose of this video basically is to show you that we have Python variables, and all this becomes a variable the moment we assign a value to it. It becomes x become a variable the moment we assign a value to it. So follow for more and be expecting my next video. Thank you.